Okay, the next example that we're going to do is number 3 for solving by systems. So on your paper, put number 3, and the first equation is going to be x plus y is equal to 15. You might leave a little space there because we have some work to do. And then you have 4x plus 3y is equal to 38. Okay, so again, the last one was all set up for us. No work was required before we started substituting. But this time we have to get one of our variables by itself. And I'm going to choose to move my x to the other side and solve for my y and get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract. Let me change the color here. I'm going to subtract this x and put it to the other side, making it a negative x. So that's 0, that's gone. So now I have y is equal to 15 minus x. So just like on the other equations, the other problems that we did, we want to substitute. So I'm going to take this 15 minus x and plug it in to the original second equation. So I'm going to plug it in where I see this y right here. So now I have 4x plus, remember it's 3 times y, which is going to be 3 times 15 minus x now, because I'm substituting that y for 15 minus x, and it's going to be equal to 38. Okay, now I still got some work to do. I'm not going to do anything with this 4x. I'm going to keep it the same for now. I've got to do my distributive property, so I need to multiply. 3 times 15 is 45. Then I've got 3 times negative 1, which is negative 3, and I need to include my x, is equal to 38. Okay, still not finished. I need to combine like terms. On this side I have a negative 3x, and I also have a positive 4, so I need to put my x's together because they're on the same side of the equal sign. So 4 minus 3 is 1, so I have 1x plus 45 is equal to 38. Okay, continuing, I need to move the 45 across the equal sign because I need to get x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 45 from both sides. Again, the 45 is gone, it's a 0. I just have my x left. And now, because they're different signs, positive and negative, I subtract first 45 minus 38, and that is 7. And it's going to be a negative 7. So now I have one ahead and got my first part of my order pair. So I have my starting of my answer. We just found out that x is negative 7. So now I've got to go through, and now I've got to figure out what my y is. And what you need to do is, again, you're going to substitute it into one of the original equations. And again, I'm going to go with the easiest one. So the easiest equation that I have is the one that where I moved my y and got y by itself. I'm going to go through and I'm going to take this negative 7 right here, and I'm going to substitute it for this x. So now I have negative 7 plus y is equal to 15. Again, just like we've been doing, we're going to put our numbers on one side, our equal sign, letters on the other. So if this is a negative 7, I got to do the opposite. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. So now we have a 0 over here. I just have my y left, and 15 plus 7 is 22 because they're both positive. So my y is, going up here, y is 22. Oh, let me fix my 22 there. And this is my answer for example number 2.